Hello, my dears. Welcome to today's English class. Here you can hear the voices of some animals and birds. Let's identify them. Now we hear the sounds of lots of animals and birds. We identified them. That means there are so many different animals and birds around us and they have different sounds. Here is a concept map of farm birds and animals for you. Let's identify the birds and animals in a farm and complete this concept map. Okay. Today, our story is about a bird from this concept map. Can you identify? Let's see. Have a look at this picture. It's from our textbook. Let's color. First, all of you look at the blue basket. Then identify who is hiding it. Yes, somebody is hiding in the blue basket. First, color the boxes which are numbered. Yes, we will get a picture like this. It is a hen. Then all of you again look at our textbook. Let's color the hen. Here we see a hen and 2 eggs. All of you try to draw a picture of a hen and 2 eggs, then color it. Look here, now we got a hen and 2 eggs. Let's read a hen, 2 eggs. Again look here, let's identify these animals. First one, cow. Then the next one is dog. Then again look here, we know it is a hen. Then the last one, it is a duck. Now, let's sing a song. We identified the sounds of animals and birds. Let's match the following. We know the sound of a cow is moo moo. Dog sound is bow bow. Hen sound is cluck cluck. And duck sound is quack quack. We see there's a blue basket in our textbook. Then we identified who is hiding in it. We know that is a hen and 2 eggs. Read and write the names of animals today we learned. We know there are different pets in our house. All of you try to identify these pets and name them. Then find out the missing letters here. Let's read and write. Cat, dog, hen, duck, cow. Try to identify more names of animals and birds. Then write it in your notebook. Then collect more pictures of them. Today we got a new friend, that is a hen. And we have 2 eggs. We know the eggs laid by the hen. But can you see who will come out of the eggs? ആരായിരിക്കും ഈ എഗ്ഗുകളിൽ നിന്നും പുറത്തേക്ക് വരുന്നത്? We will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.